In this video, I'm going to show you the setup if you would like to connect your Maonocaster Lite to a portable karaoke system or portable karaoke machine. The portable karaoke machine that I will be using is the Sudotack SP-70. Without further ado, let's get started. And now let me show you the things, cables I will be needing in the setup. So first of all, this is the Maonocaster Lite, and this is the karaoke system, the portable one, which is the Sudotack SP-70. And this iPad here will be the source of our background music, or let's say the karaoke songs, which most likely will be getting the song from YouTube. And over here, so what I will do is I will be using 3 different microphones. So this is a condenser microphone over here, and this is the wireless microphone comes when you buy this Sudotack SP-70 karaoke system. And this one here, this is a wireless microphone. I believe this is a dynamic wireless microphone, and for this is the cord comes along with that. You normally get this when you buy a wireless microphone. And this cord's here. I'm just going to show you later that this one works and this one works also, and I'll show you how to use them both later. And this power bank over here, portable charger, I'll be using this one to power up the wireless microphone over here. Okay, and now let's start the connections. First, let me show you that this one works. So this is a TRRS. As you notice, this one has 3 lines on both ends. This normally comes when you buy a Maonocaster Lite. So as I mentioned before on my prior videos, if the background music, let's say this one, the iPad as a source of the background music connected to here, this one doesn't really work. But if this TRRS connected from this Maonocaster Lite to this portable karaoke system or Sudotack SP-70, it does work, but not from this iPad. Let me show you again. First, let me show you if the background music is connected to here directly. Okay, so I connected the TRRS one end to the headphone port of this iPad, and then the other end I'll connect over here. Okay, and I'll play it over here. There you go. So as you notice, I'm playing this one already over here, and yet there is no sound coming out to this speaker over here. So what I suggested on my previous video, on my review on the Sudotack SP-70 karaoke system, is to use the TRRS, the one that has 2 lines on both the ends. But this one works if you connect the sound card to here. Okay, let me show you that. So from here, we will connect one end of this TRRS to here, to the one that says output. And then the other end we will connect to here, to the one that says aux in. Okay, so to give you a sample, let me just press any sound effects, the preset sound effects on here. There you go. Or this one. Okay, as you notice, it did work. So again, this TRRS works if a sound card, specifically this Maonocaster Lite, is connected to this karaoke system, but it will not work properly if you connect directly the background or the source of your background music to here. But I will not be using this one really. The purpose here is, what if you want to be away from the speaker, because it might feedback if it's so close. So what I will use is this cord over here. So this is TRRS, so the one that has 2 lines on both ends. So as you can see, it has 2 lines on both ends. This is actually pretty cheap. I bought this one from Dollarama, and this is you can buy this one, a longer one, if you would like. So this is 12 feet, and it's only $3. So anyway, this should be your option if you want, let's say, if you want to use microphone, especially if you want to use a condenser microphone, which is very sensitive, and if they are close to each other, for sure this will feedback. So that's why I want to use this one here, because it's pretty long. Okay, so what I will do is I will connect this one to here, so the same. So I'll connect one end of this TRRS to here, to the one that says output. And now I will connect the other end to here, to the one that says aux in. Just gonna lower the volume to make sure, or maybe turn it off for now. Okay, and now what I will do, I'm going to connect this wireless microphone. So to do this, normally if it does comes with this. As you notice over here, the mic input is 3.5 millimeter port. So from here, you can just detach this one here. So simply detach this one, and then you can connect directly this one to here. So you just select mic 1 or 2, it doesn't matter. So let's connect it to maybe mic 2. And now from here, the reason why I need this portable charger, because I have to plug this into any power source. So that's why I have to connect this one over here, and then I will connect this one to here, which serves as the receiver of this wireless microphone. And by the way, the wireless microphone, this one requires battery. So this one has a battery on it. Let me show you. There you go. So it has like that. And now this wireless microphone, this is already connected to here wirelessly. So I don't need to connect this one to this Maonocaster Lite. Now I'm going to connect this condenser microphone. I'm going to select mic 1. So the background music over here, I'm going to connect this one to the Maonocaster Lite wirelessly using Bluetooth, but you have the option, especially if your background music does not have a Bluetooth feature or functionality, then you can use this cord. So this is TRRS, or you can also use the TRRS, the one that is something like that, the one that has 2 lines. So what you will do is connect the other end to the headphone port of that device to the music input over here. So again, that is your choice or option if you want to use a cord or connected directly to this Maonocaster Lite, because over here you only have one input. So all this audio that come out to here will go into this speaker over here. And by the way, in this setup, your background music volume can be controlled from here, and also your microphone, the condenser microphone and this wireless microphone, can be controlled on here. Your overall volume from the music from here plus the microphones you connected to this Maonocaster Lite is going to be from here. So where the power volume knob is, so that's your volume control from here. Okay, and now let's do a test. Okay, let's turn on this one again. Maybe I'm gonna set the volume here to maybe 1 o'clock.
Okay, sound check, testing 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I'm currently using the condenser microphone. And just so you know, condenser microphone is more powerful than a dynamic microphone. And by the way, this wireless microphone that I connected to this Maonocaster Lite is a dynamic microphone. And let's check how loud it is. And by the way, from here, if you want to increase your mic volume, you would have to turn this monitor volume slider up. Sound check, testing 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I might feedback because I'm so close to this speaker, so just to give you a heads up. Sound check, testing 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I'm going to try this wireless microphone connected to this Maonocaster Lite. Sound check, testing 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sound check. So again, this is now the wireless microphone I connected directly to this Maonocaster Lite, and this is now the condenser microphone. And by the way, from here you can, so as you notice over here, the echo is right here, or your reverberation. If this is at 0, so something like that, then your voice is flat without any reverberation. So same, if I'm going to use this wireless dynamic microphone, it should be the same, because these 2 microphones are both connected to this Maonocaster Lite. Sound check, testing 1, 2, so same, it is flat, no echo, no reverberation. Even if you turn the echo here up, it's not going to affect, because the echo volume knob over here is only for this wireless microphone that comes in the package when you buy the Sudotack SP-70 wireless system. Okay, so let's try. Let's try now the wireless microphone comes in the package with this karaoke system. Sound check, testing 1 2 1 2 3 4. Sound check. So from here, same. If I'm going to lower the echo over here, then your voice will be flat as well, and your mic volume in this case is going to be from here. So you want it low or you want it up, and then again, mic volume from here is going to be from this Sudotack SP-70 because this is connected to here wirelessly. Okay, and now, so let's do a test. And now let me play the background music. Let's check how loud is the background music. So again, you can control the background music from here or from this device. Whatever is the source of your background music, you can increase the volume from there and also from this Maonocaster Lite. And to control both microphones, you connected to here, plus the background music, as I mentioned earlier. The main volume control is from here, so the one that says volume, on or off. Okay, and now let's play again our background music. And to increase this one, okay, so it looks like it is the max already, and we can increase the music from here. So the one that says music, volume knob from this. There you go. And again, you can increase the volume also from here. There you go. So let's pause it. Okay, so right now I cannot really set or turn the volume here to the max because I connected a condenser microphone. Otherwise, it will feedback. Okay, so now let's give it a test again. So let me use this one again. Sound check, testing 1 2 1 2 3 4. I'm going to turn the echo up this time. Sound check, testing 1 2 1 2 3 4. Sound check. And from here, you can also set your equalizers from this Maonocaster Lite. You can increase your bass. So if you think it is so thin, then you can increase your low, which is more for bass, and your high is more for treble. So again, if you want your high, turn it up, then it sounds like that. Sound check. And then I'm just gonna put it back to 12 o'clock. And then if you lower your bass here, sound check, testing 1 2. So you could hardly hear the bass there. So that's why I want it up. Okay, let me set it maybe to 3 o'clock. Sound check, testing 1 2. And the mid, it's up to you, whatever is your preferred vocals. Okay, so the mid, maybe I'll just set it to 1 o'clock. Soundtrack, testing 1 2. 1 2 3 4. Okay, let me give you a short sample. Sound, testing 1 2 1 2 3 4. Again, if you want to increase your mic, you can increase it from here also. Sound, check, sound. Kung makungalus ay tipigin maupay, ang imo kasing-kasing ibutang sintuhay. Ayaw gud pagsakita, minayaw paglinguan, paghiro tibangin sa dughan mo in mawala. Okay, there you go. Let me pause it a bit. And this time, I'm just going to remove this condenser microphone because it is so powerful and so sensitive, so that I can increase my volume for this dynamic microphone over here. So let me remove now this condenser microphone. This time I am using the wireless dynamic microphone connected to this Maonocaster Lite. So this time I can actually turn this one here because dynamic microphone is not sensitive, so I can turn my microphone up from here, sound check, and I can even turn my echo up some more, sound check, and I can increase my volume up some more from here. And plus you can increase your volume from here. There you go, sound check. Testing 1 2 1 2 3 4. Again, in this setting, since this wireless microphone is connected directly to this Maonocaster Lite, even if you increase the echo volume over here from this karaoke system Sudotack, it will not affect This will only affect the echo volume here to this other wireless microphone connected to this Sudotack Karaoke system. Okay, so now let me continue the song over here, and I'm going to be switching with this wireless microphone, so 2 wireless microphones. Sound check. Ang mga luz ay ipigilin mo upay. Ang iyong kasing-kasing ibutan yung buhay. Ayabot pagsakitan na ayaw patunguan. Paghirot ibangin sa dugan mo hinmawala. Pagkikitigan ang mo maunasaan. Isang danatan di kita magbubulan. Saan kawaray langit kung mamagpapapiling. Walay magtatagya, hindi taon kasing-kasing. And by the way, from here, let's say, for example, you want to use the preset sound effects on here, you can. So only the microphone that is connected to this Maonocaster Lite, that is the only microphone that works. Let's say if you want to use the voice changer. Okay, let's try on here.
Female.
Okay, so this is the female. There you go. And if you want to
Another one. So this is the male sound check, testing 1, 2.
Pro.
Okay, so again, you can use that. Only the microphone that is connected to this Maonocaster, that is the only one you can use to change your voice. And the built-in preset sound effects on here, or if you recorded some, you can use them as well. Let's suppress some of them, maybe awkward. Okay, something like that, or boing, or cheering, or applause. There you go. So pretty much you can use all the preset sound effects on here, or even the one you recorded, and all the functions over here, as long as the background music is connected to the Maonocaster Lite. And there you go. That is all I can share for today. I hope this gives you an idea how would be the connections or the setup if you are going to be connecting your Maonocaster Lite to a karaoke system, which is the Sudotack SP-70. And by the way, if you will be interested in buying Maonocaster products or Sudotack, I'll be adding a link under the description below. And if you will be buying any Maono product from the Maono official website, I do have a 10% discount, which is no additional cost to you. If you are interested, I'll be adding that code under the description below. Thanks again, guys, for watching. Again, that is all I can share for today. If you like this type of video, please give it a like. And if you want more of this type of videos, consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you are always updated for all the upcoming videos I will be posting. Keep safe, and until next time.